Nowadays, ads have become increasingly intrusive, popping up everywhere we go online. Traditional browsers and social media often prioritize ad revenue over user experience. If you are tired of being bombarded by this never-ending storm of unskippable ads, I got 2 free solutions for you. If you are a PC or Mac user, you can download Librewolf. Librewolf is an independent fork of Firefox with the primary goals of privacy and security. To install Librewolf on Windows, just download and run the latest installer from their website. You will find the link in the description below. You don't need to do anything else to enjoy an ad-free experience. The only downside of Librewolf is that it's not available for mobile, but fear not. You can download Brave, which is a browser based on Chromium. After you install it, open the in-app settings by tapping the triple dot icon in the bottom right corner, then selecting Settings from the menu. Scroll down through the settings to find the options page for enabling background video playback. Enable that, and you can listen to your favorite videos without interruptions, even when the screen is locked. If you are a more experienced user, you can tinker with the settings to make Brave even more secure against trackers. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with enhanced privacy settings and robust ad blocking capabilities. Leave a comment if you want to add something or if you just want to say hi. Until next time.